Are you an art nerd like us? Do you want access to a private community of like-minded artists and creative people? Now you can by becoming a Wing Campus member on YouTube or Patreon. As a member, you'll be supporting our mission to make high-quality arts education accessible to everyone worldwide. Here, you'll get access to tons of member-only perks within our online art school. As a Wing Campus Angel, you'll get access to our members-only community on Discord, as well as loyalty badges next to your name and custom emotes. Our members-only community will give you prioritized critiques from our instructors, and you can chat with our creators as well as other members. As an official art nerd, you'll get access to all those previous perks, plus monthly working files from our live streams and early previews of new videos in the making. And as a VIP art nerd, you'll have access to everything in the previous tiers, plus one monthly recording from our live virtual art classes. If you can attend our live classes, we have a limited edition tier on our Patreon called the OG Art Nerd, where you can attend a live class per month if it works with your schedule. So make sure you take advantage of the perks while they're still available. The links to our memberships are in the description below. Thanks again for all the love and your incredible support.